Welcome. If you love scrolling through Pinterest and want your videos to play automatically as you browse, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable autoplay videos on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest update. It's quick, easy, and will make your Pinterest experience even more engaging. Let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize your Pinterest experience. Inside the settings page, look for the section called Social Permissions. This is where Pinterest keeps all the controls for how you interact with content on the platform. Click on Social Permissions to open up more options. Now, here's the important part. In the Social Permissions section, you'll see a toggle or checkbox labeled Autoplay Videos. This feature controls whether videos start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. To enable autoplay, simply click the toggle so it turns on. You should see a confirmation that the setting is now active. Before you leave, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page, and give it a click. This makes sure your new settings are applied, and you're all set. That's it. Now, when you browse Pinterest on your PC, videos will play automatically, making your feed more dynamic and fun. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and switch the toggle back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your upgraded Pinterest experience.